You can grow snake plant in water. Moving snake plant from soil to water is very easy, and you can keep it in water forever, provided you take proper care of it. You can convert your snake plant into a good decoration plant for home and office, and also it will purify the air. Carefully take out the plant, remove soil, and wash the roots. These snake plants growing in water look very nice. You can put them in office, home or bedroom,